What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video, and just like that, we back. We already back, so don't say nothing. But it was perfect timing because the shoe drops tomorrow, and what I think is the best shoe of 2023. And this is just flawless execution by Nike all the way around. We got a Christmas release, so it's perfect for the holidays. We got perfect colors for the holidays. We also have a decent amount of supply, so they're not going to be, obviously they're still hard to get. A lot of people want these, so the supply is not going to be the demand, but there is a lot of pairs, so people are going to be able to cop. People have already copped through exclusive access on sneakers and early drops and stuff like that. A lot of stores got them, so there's raffles, they're all that. So this is just, it's just the perfect scenario what we got cooking up. And obviously by the thumbnail, because I can't not show it, this is the best shoe of 2023. I mean, these just look so freaking good. Like, I can look at these all day on in pictures. This camera doing it justice. I mean, this is just flawless work, man. And obviously I love Kobe. Everybody loves Kobe. So it just has to happen. I don't know what to tell you. I love the inside. It's just so good. It's just so good. I love the color, obviously. The red just pops. But then the laces and the tongue color, this green is just perfect. The fact that they don't even give you no other laces, they like, just wear these, bro. They already got them laced up. Like, you could just put these on, go straight to the gym. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. This is just great work. Great work. Other than the Kobe's, I'm sorry. I like these. I'm gonna put them up there. On the list of the Kobe's, I'm gonna put them very, 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 very high. So, this is just a great shoe. They do drop tomorrow on sneakers, so everybody try, you know, get your mama, get everybody all sneakers, because you gonna need all the help you can get. But resale, again, is not that, it's not super crazy. We're not talking 800, 900, whatever. We're talking $200 over retail, and I think that's doable. 200, 300 over retail. I think that's doable, just because you're gonna pay that for any hype shoe that has a lot of demand. Like, remember when Panda Dunks, low Dunks, were going for $400? Now you can legit get them for $120 retail price. Like, so you're just gonna pay that. But these are worth it. This is heat. This right here is heat. So yeah, dropping tomorrow. Best shoe. Everybody go cop. And yeah, I appreciate Vanessa for, you know, keeping the legacy and keep the fire ones coming. We love it. We need it. So yeah, but we back. And yeah, Warriors hopefully gonna win tonight. If Draymond's not there to punch nobody, so who knows what's gonna happen.